The forest walk. At the forest walk. This is Provident Sunworth city, and we are taking a walk through the trees. This is what Tarzan of the Apes would have felt like. Very nice feeling. Crisp morning air, smell of greens everywhere. No pollutions here, no nonsense, just plain fresh air. This is our internal forest. I'm loving this part. Wonderful indeed. Our own internal forest. The forest walk at Sunworth. Tarzan of the Apes in person. Exercise point, loosening up point, whatever you'd like to call it. This is actually the forest walk. That was the elevated walk through the trees.